Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Play Store tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a payment method to your Google Play Store account. So let's say you want to buy an app on here or you want to subscribe to an app on here. You need to add a payment method so you can pay for it. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you can open your Play Store like this and then tap on your profile here. So on here, you tap on the payment and subscriptions and you can see payment method on top there. Just tap on that. And on here, you can add your credit card or debit card. Just tap on that. It's going to take some time. Good. So you just add the card number. Then you add the security code and everything, and you save your card. So I'm going to add a credit or debit card. And here, there's a local payment option. You can add your Telecel cash or you can add your MTN mobile money. So let me add MTN. So I'll be redirected to MTN mobile money to verify my account. Okay. So yeah, that's it on how you can add payment method to your Google Play Store account for your subscriptions. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.